On average, students spend about $1,000 per year on college textbooks. It didn't make sense to me. In college, just like any community, there was a simple solution. I found the book for half price on Base. Meeting up with a random stranger wasn't scary at all. Since Base keeps my money safe, all I had to do was give the seller my code to release the funds to her account. If there's anything I don't like, I can just keep the code and get my money back.